In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get OneNote to open on startup. If you use OneNote regularly, having it launch automatically when your computer starts can save you a little time and make your notes immediately available. This is especially useful if OneNote is part of your daily workflow and you want it ready to go without needing to open it manually every time you sign into Windows. To begin, go down to your desktop taskbar and find an empty area where there are no app icons. Right-click on that empty section of the taskbar. This will open a small menu with several system options. From that menu, click Task Manager. If this is your first time opening it, don't worry if it looks slightly different depending on your version of Windows. The option we need is still inside Task Manager, and it gives you access to the apps that can launch when your computer starts. Once Task Manager opens, look over to the left-hand panel and click the Startup Apps icon. This section shows all the programs that are allowed or not allowed to run automatically when Windows starts. It's a helpful place to manage startup behavior, especially if you want faster access to certain apps. Now scroll down through the list until you find OneNote. Depending on how many apps you have installed, this may take a few seconds. Take your time and make sure you select the correct app. When you find OneNote, look across its row under the status column. You're looking for the setting that shows it as disabled. That disabled status means OneNote is currently prevented from opening automatically during startup. Next, right-click on the disabled status for OneNote. This should open a small context menu with an option to change how the app behaves at startup. From that menu, select Enabled. As soon as you do that, OneNote will be set to launch automatically the next time your computer starts. You usually won't need to restart right away unless you want to test it immediately, and that's it. OneNote is now enabled to open on startup. If you ever want to reverse this, you can come back to the same startup app section in Task Manager and disable it again. A quick tip before you leave. If your computer feels slow when booting up, be mindful of how many startup apps are enabled at once. But if OneNote is something you use every day, enabling it can be a simple productivity boost.